Get ready for the ultimate showdown of skill and steel. From treacherous icy roads to tight bridges and deep, unforgiving mud, we're taking a deep dive into the world of heavy equipment transport like never before. Can these road titans conquer the harshest conditions? Let's find out. Hold on tight, because we're about to dive into one of India's most incredible transport feats. Rameswar Transport, with its sheer might, successfully moved a staggering 780-ton piece of refinery equipment from HPCL Bharat Refinery to the HPCL Rajasthan Refinery. This jaw-dropping task was completed in an astonishing 90 days, covering a distance of 500 kilometers across the diverse landscapes of India. Picture this: 8 colossal towers, constructed over 3 years, making their way down the highway on trailers as long as 2 football fields. The logistics team choreographed this epic journey from Ipatinga to Rip like a grand symphony. But what amazes me most is how they navigated every twist and climb. It's like watching giants gracefully dance. Get ready to be blown away by Mach Special Transport's incredible work in the Netherlands. These mega machines steal the spotlight, moving unbelievably massive loads with ease. Thanks to expert engineering and cutting-edge hydraulics, no challenge is too big. The ground rumbles, engines thunder, and every maneuver is a true showcase of power and precision. This isn't just transport, it's a breathtaking display of strength and skill. Imagine this: transporting a massive 2,145-ton load on a giant turntable, maneuvering it around sharp turns and tight corners. This incredible 3-day journey from Sadov to Milnik Port is a true testament to heavy hauling expertise. With a towering height of 61 meters, the 250.52 load presented a unique challenge. Hats off to the dedicated crew who navigated every obstacle with precision and unwavering determination. Who knew watching Jason and his American Brabant horses pull a storage container could feel like a glimpse into classic engineering at its best? It's a fascinating reminder that sheer muscle power can outshine machines when technology falls short. Nature's horsepower in action, no codes or circuits, just pure determination. Watch in awe as a massive 92-ton transformer makes its way along the E18 highway. This engineering marvel is being transported from Booz to its final destination in Norway. It's a testament to the precision and skill required to move such critical electrical infrastructure. Statnet Transport AS is ensuring the safe and efficient delivery of this vital component, showcasing their expertise in heavy hauling. The process of transporting such a massive load relies on sophisticated engineering techniques, including advanced structural analysis to ensure the equipment can handle the stresses of transit. Moving the 191-ton sugar beet washer, with its impressive size, required specially designed support structures and load distribution systems. Additionally, the route was likely carefully evaluated for its ability to support the load, including checking bridge weight limits and road strength, to ensure a smooth and safe journey. This is a big deal. A huge fuel tank from a space shuttle was moved through Los Angeles. It's a really important moment for the California Science Center. The tank is super heavy, 66,000 pounds, and long 155 feet. It was carefully moved 16 miles at a slow speed 5 meters per hour. Lots of people watched and took pictures as this amazing piece of history went through the city streets. A huge shipment traveling all the way from the Czech Republic to Hungary. That's quite a journey. It really makes me think about the economic connections between these two European countries. A large-scale transport like this probably means a major business deal or a big project in the works. It's fascinating to see how interconnected the global economy is when you spot something like this. Does anyone know what the key industries are in those regions? Marvel at the incredible journey of a 176-ton Tizot gas tank for Primagas, measuring an impressive 16.5 feet wide, 23 foot tall, and 121 feet long, as it makes its way through Crayon, France. This remarkable feat highlights the unmatched expertise and precision of the heavy haul industry. Now, moving these giants isn't just about throwing them on a trailer and hitting the road. This is precision work, balancing massive weight, securing everything down, and carefully navigating highways, tight turns, and unpredictable terrain. The Volvo EC650 is a modern beast, built for raw digging power, while the Caterpillar 235 is an old-school workhorse, a true legend in the excavation world. This isn't just a simple transport job, it's a carefully orchestrated dance of horsepower, hydraulics, and human skill. If you love watching big machines roll down the highway, this is a must-see. How do you manage to maneuver a massive 210-ton substructure through such tight roads? The secret lies in precision engineering and flawless execution. Every centimeter counts, requiring meticulous calculations and expert coordination. Thanks to the crew's dedication and skill, what seems impossible becomes a breathtaking display of engineering excellence. Hoisting and transporting put both the machinery and the operator's skills to the test. The mobile crane's lifting power and precise controls were key to safely raising the 17.9-foot boat, while the truck's suspension managed weight shifts over bumps and turns. Every part, from hydraulic stability to crane boom flexibility, was pushed to the max. How do you transport a record-breaking 150-megawatt steam turbine out of Payson without hitting overhead wires? This fully assembled turbine was the heaviest ever moved from the city. Engineers solved the height challenge with a custom low-profile trailer, keeping clearance just within limits. With the turbine frame and securing cage, the entire transport unit weighed a massive 450 tons, pushing engineering ingenuity to the max. On April 8, the impressive Johan Castberg FPSO embarked on its journey towards Norway, arriving safely aboard the colossal Boca Vanguard, the world's largest transport vessel. This massive carrier, stretching over 3 football fields in length, boasts an impressive production capacity of 190,000 barrels per day. The FPSO will then be towed to Aker Solutions for the installation of its turret, the integration of process modules, and the final commissioning phase. Transporting a 50-meter aircraft fuselage was a truly breathtaking feat. This Slovak government Tu-154 was no ordinary load, it was a piece of history route to the Cunovus Museum. Every mile and every maneuver showcased a remarkable fusion of ingenuity and expertise, turning this journey into a masterpiece of large-scale logistics. Given the massive size of the load 202 tons and the long distance it was transported, a modular transporter seems like the most likely candidate. Given the massive size of the load 202 tons and the long distance it was transported, a modular transporter seems like the most likely candidate. It's a specialized vehicle designed to move extremely heavy and oversized loads. These transporters are often made up of multiple modules that can be configured to fit the specific dimensions of the load. They're typically used to transport things like large industrial equipment. Get ready for the ultimate transport adventure. Today, we're joining the crew as they tackle the massive task of hauling giant transformers from Tolyatti to NPS 11 Yakutia across perilous winter roads. Will the hydraulic suspension withstand the bone-chilling -49°F temperatures and keep the mission on track? Let's find out. With the ice strengthened by an additional 31 inches, reaching nearly 2 meters thick, the team faces their ultimate challenge, crossing the frozen lower Tunguska River. Will they make it? Stay tuned.
Такая вся дорога.
The camera sweeps across the massive beer tank, its polished surface gleaming under the intense sunlight. At 34 meters long and 4.7 meters tall, it's a true feat of engineering. The transport team skillfully maneuvers through narrow city streets, every move precise and deliberate. The tension peaks as they reach a crucial checkpoint, a tight squeeze under a low overpass. Will they make it? Another flawless move in this 49-day marathon of heavy machinery expertise. What an incredible display of skill. Who needs action movies? This is the real deal. 90 minutes, 240 tons, and zero room for error. The port holds its breath as this mechanical titan moves with deliberate precision, a breathtaking showcase of mastery over sheer mechanical power. Can you believe it? Who would have thought a tree could embark on such an incredible journey? In the US, the Christmas tree is a cherished symbol of holiday joy and tradition, and this 68-year-old spruce had quite the adventure. Traveling from Petka to Prague, it was carefully trimmed to 22 meters and made its way through towns, spreading festive cheer along the way. Carried by a Kenworth W900B truck and a Faymanville trailer, its grand arrival in Old Town Square is nothing short of a Christmas miracle. Alright everyone, get ready, this is some serious heavy hauling. We're talking about transporting 6 massive modules, each tipping the scales at up to 213 tons. That's like moving 6 fully loaded Boeing 747s. With 2 powerhouse trucks and a 22-axle beast of a trailer, this convoy is making its way from PTO to ASU to Mackay. This is extreme trucking at its absolute best. Fresh updates from Granville. A massive transport has brought traffic to a standstill at this intersection. Stay tuned for more details. Did someone forget the wheel chocks? This is a clear case of heavy transport safety gone wrong. Feast your eyes on a true giant of the road, a blue whale gliding through an ocean of asphalt. You can almost feel the deep rumble of the engines, hear the steady calls of the escort vehicles, and sense the choreography of human coordination guiding this massive dance. Any guesses on what's inside? The Transmaster 13-axle expanding perimeter is an impressive engineering achievement, providing excellent load distribution and stability. Its modular design enables easy customization, though the setup process could be simplified. Perfect for transporting oversized, heavy cargo across demanding terrains. And that's a wrap on today's mind-blowing oversized haul. Huge loads, even bigger skills. If this one had you on the edge of your seat, drop a like and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next epic transport adventure.